The 2016 election, or as it's increasingly known, America's fucktastic cirque de dismay. Now, the big news this week surrounded Donald Trump, a punchline that is quickly becoming a nightmare. Like if you said, "Take my wife, please," and then she was actually kidnapped by ISIS. Now, this week revealed a somewhat startling statistic.
A new report from USA Today found Trump and his businesses have been involved in at least 3,500 lawsuits over 3 decades.
3,500 lawsuits. That is unprecedented for a presidential nominee. In fact, if each lawsuit involving Trump were the basis of an episode of Law & Order, they could sustain all 456 episodes of the original, all 389 episodes of Law & Order SVU, all 195 episodes of Law & Order Criminal Intent, and all 22 episodes of Law & Order LA, as well as every episode of The Practice, Ally McBeal, LA Law, Boston Legal, Night Court, The Good Wife, Matlock, Jag, Perry Mason, Judging Amy, The Guardian, The Public Defender, Owen Marshall, Counselor at Law, Harry's Law, Courthouse, Suits, Family Law, Sweet Justice, 1971's The DA, 2004's The DA, Reasonable Doubts, Damages, Shark, The Defenders, The Paper Chase, Head Cases, Judge for the Defense, and all 3 episodes of NBC's First Years, and at that point you're still missing 1 lawsuit, but you've also basically run out of television shows about lawyers, meaning Trump's lawsuits exceed the limits of the fucking genre. Well, lately, there have been some new developments with Trump-related litigation after he complained about a judge presiding over 2 particular cases against him.
I have a judge who is a hater of Donald Trump. A hater. He's a hater. His name is Gonzalo Curiel. And he is not doing the right thing. The judge, who happens to be, we believe, Mexican, which is great. I think that's fine.
Oh, you do you? You think that's fine? Great news, people of Mexican descent. Donald Trump thinks it's fine for you to be a human being existing on this planet. Now, for the record, the judge in question was born in Indiana, but that's not the point, because as he later clarified, it was the judge's Mexican heritage that made him unfit to judge Trump.
You're invoking his race when talking about whether or not he can do his job.
Jack, I'm building a wall, okay? I'm building a wall. I'm trying to keep business out of Mexico. Mexico's fine. There's nothing...
But he's American. He's an American.
He's of Mexican heritage, and he's very proud of it, as I am where I come from.
Wait, where exactly are you from? Because you look like you came out of a clogged drain at the Wonka factory, and you know what? That's great. I think that's fine. But think about what he's implying there. The judge is unfit to do his job because of his ethnic background. And just this morning, Trump took it a step further.
What if he was a Muslim, though? You've been very tough on temporary Muslim immigration bans. If it were a Muslim judge, would you also feel like they wouldn't be able to treat you fairly because of that policy of yours?
It's possible, yes. Yeah, that would be possible, absolutely.
I would say that was the dictionary definition of